Hi, I'm Simon Smith, and I'd like to talk to you about some changes recently announced by eBay that will dramatically improve confidence for Australian buyers and sellers. Only safe payment methods will be allowed on the site: PayPal, Visa or MasterCard via PayPal, or when you pick up and pay for your item in person. PayPal is now Australia's #1 preferred online payment method, and there are some very good reasons why. Firstly, safety. With PayPal, there's no need to share your financial information with strangers every time you buy or sell, and that's why eBay believes it's the safest payment method. Secondly, less disputes. In 2007 on ebay.com.au, those who paid with PayPal were much less likely to enter a dispute. In fact, the rate of disputes among people using a bank deposit was almost 4 times higher than for those who used PayPal. And sellers using PayPal were almost 50% less likely to experience an unpaid item than those who didn't. Finally, confidence. You might already know about PayPal buyer protection. Well, it's jumping from $3,000 to $20,000, giving you greater peace of mind when shopping. Sellers, you're now also protected. PayPal Seller Protection was recently introduced to provide you with an unprecedented level of protection. Buyers, if you currently like the flexibility of paying with your bank account, credit card or debit card, you still can. Just link them to your PayPal account. To hear more about the changes, come and meet with me and eBay staff at upcoming face-to-face events. In summary, by taking these steps to boost confidence and address disputes, the entire eBay community will benefit: buyers, sellers and eBay.